Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be playing a game called Void Train. This is currently the demo I'm playing because I'm too broke to actually pay for the full version. However, if this gets like loads of likes and comments and stuff like that, I will pay for the full version of the game and actually play it on this channel. Anyway, I would like to, hold on. I would like to thank, two cool people named Shani Waney. Thank you for that comment, and Jennifer Pinto as well. Thank you guys so much for the support on the last video with the People Playground. Anyway, let's get this game started. I honestly never played this game before, so like, it could be new to me. Okay, that's funny. Uh-oh. Oh, this reminds me of that one Halo 4 cutscene. That's so funny. Okay, that had to hurt. Ow. Chapter 1, Entering the Void.
Hey, you all right?
No. I got hit by a blunt object.
Oh, you're finally awake. A typical day on watch, huh?
Ugh, what is that? What the? I want to eat it. That's what I want to do.
Well, this might come in handy.
What would come in handy? I mean, if it was a gun, then yes, it would come in handy to shoot them and eat them. Oh, okay, anyway. Moving in the void. There is no gravity in the void. Jump off the train to head out in the desired direction to move. Hold F quickly to pull yourself up to the train onto the rope and then climb it to yourself by controlling your character. The area around the train gives you a bonus to swimming speed in the void. So you can move close to it without almost lagging behind. Alright, so if I just like jump off the train, I won't fall into the abyss. Ooh, character dynamic. Holy crap, that's awesome. Alright. Oh, nice. Wait a minute. Can I catch one today? You, come here. Here, can I eat? Oh! Oh! Nah, it didn't die. Okay, so it says pick up the diary. I'm guessing this is what it is. The diary stores active quests as well as collected information about the game's world. To open the diary, press J to access it from your inventory. Oh, cool! This is... Oh, these animations are slick! How do I use this? This reminds me a lot of that game called The Forest.
Of course. Such an inventive mind wouldn't have any trouble figuring out the mechanism of a simple trolley.
Satiety affects the extent to which your health can be automatically restored outside of combat. Satiety is gradually depleted and once restored by consuming organics, ice, or cooked food from the kitchen. Good food restores more satiety from sanity or no. In case you have zero satiety, I cannot say that word. You will not die, but your health will no longer regenerate automatically. Okay, so that means I can catch one of these things and then just like, I can punch. No way. Kill. No! I want to kill it. So that's how, what's that? I want to go on it. What's that? Gimme. Ice? It said I can eat ice. Is that, how is there ice in a void? What's that? Oh, wood. What the freak is that? Hold on. How do I go? Take the trolley off the brake. Yes, go to that.
Well, pretty much. Try pulling the other lever.
I wanna touch it. What? Okay, I guess I can't go through it. Oh, I can go through it. I guess I just can't. Oh, frick. Oh. So, like, I got stuck. So it's just switch directions. Okay, that's nice. How do I use this?
All right now. Just
Trolley
slowly.
What's that noise? What? To speed up the trolley, press E during the minigame. Hitting bonus arrows will give more acceleration energy. Accumulated energy spent over time. The vehicle must be at minimum speed when runs out. Okay. So I just accelerate the trolley. What in the world is this?
That's a useful book you've picked up.
Oh.
Is the author some kind of scientist or inventor? I hope he's not too upset that we stole his train. That was awkward.
I think he is upset that we stole his train. Or he might be dead. I don't know. Give me the wood. Give me the wood. Thank you. What is this? Organics? Is that body? What? Oh, collect. What is that? Scrap? Yeah, scrap metal and wood. Guess that's wood. Yeah. Just gotta get off the break and just head over here. Okay, so then I can grab this. Scrap metal. Now what? Build or research it. Press BT to open the build book. Okay. B. Oh, what's that? Research table. Okay. Build a research table. I say less. I guess I'll put it here. Nice. Research the smelter technology 1. Requirement 2 scrap metals. Oh, okay. So I was gonna play this game with some of my friends and see if they are able to do this, because it would be fun if it was with other people, because I saw that it was multiplayer, and so yeah, I was thinking about doing that. Wait. Come here, die. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you. I want you. You're dead. Can I not pick these up? Ugh. Wait, N? What's this? Oh, it's my hammer. These animations are just wild. More. Ugh, the sound. Where are the screen things? Oh, wait. Don't I need, like... more? So where'd I get myself a smelter from? My god, this game is beautiful. Holy crap. And that is insanely bright. Oh, here it is. Oh, wait, this is just wood. So, is this just the point of the game? I saw that through the trailer that there was gates and stuff, but do I just like go forward and just expect the unknown? I'm guessing. What's this? That is awesome. Ooh, what's this? So like my game crashed. I don't think I'm supposed to go up to those things because it just freaking crashed. So we're not gonna do that again. What's this? Ice? Okay, so let's not do that and not touch those things ever again because I do not want to crash. Alright. This is such a peaceful game. Holy crap. I'm guessing that there's enemies in here. What the frick? Okay. What was that? What was that? I did not see what that was, but I got launched. Give me some of that. Honestly, this game is really cool. I highly recommend playing this. relaxing. I don't understand what could go wrong. What if I just like full speed ahead? Just go full speed. Full speed ahead. Here we go. There is no gravity here. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Smelter. Where do I place this? I'll place it right here. Exit. Okay, yeah, braking. Okay. Please note that certain work packages may require fuel to recreate items to do so. Fill the workbench furnace with various fuels, however. You do not want to. Okay, so I have to create what? Whoa. Smell iron bar and pick it up. Okay. Give me the eyes. Oh. Oh, fat. Oh, that's what blows up. Okay. Bars. How do I create bars? 2 scrap metals and chemicals. Was that COVID? Nah, bro, that not jit tripping. That is literally COVID. Alright, forward. Honestly, I'm just enjoying this game. It's so much fun. God, it is so bright. Smell iron bar and pick it up. Alright. I'm guessing it needs fuel, like these wood and organics. Okay. Yeah, I'm guessing it needs wood. Okay, just give me scrap. What is all these sheets of metal coming from, anyway? I don't know the lore of this game. That's a giant island. Holy crap. Okay, we're going too little fast. We're going too fast. We're going. No, get up on the train. Get up on the train. Okay, so I made it back on the train. Okay, let's just continue and act like nothing happened. Okay, so we got that, scrap metal, and COVID. And then, void you. Whoa, there's a day-night cycle in this game? That's awesome. Speed ahead. Nothing can get in my way. Uh-huh. Yep. Oh, no. Aw. Get that freak over here, Buster. Ah, freak. What is that? What in the world is that blue thing? What's that? Huh. Mark the bar, pick it up. Why do I hear boss music? Why do I hear boss music? Close. Why do I hear boss music? Oh. Okay, that's big. Go like, no, stop. We'll pick up you. So I'm guessing that's a gate. Because that was in the trailer. That's big. Okay, so... Oh, it needs fuel. Okay, we're gonna put some wood in there. Yeah, and I'm gonna craft the, that. Create. Oh, wow. That is just... So like, okay, pick up. Research and build container 1. Alright. Research complete. Nice. So then I just like build it. I just need 1 iron bar. There. We'll add 2 pieces of wood in there. And then like, no. Yeah. Okay. There. Okay, I guess we can just go into the void. Well, whatever that is. I'm guessing a gate. Let's go around that. Nice. And then we can just, nope, that's not what I wanted. Create you. Which I'll put you right there. Alright, research and build workbench 1. That's not what I wanted. Workbench 1. Okay, we need another bar. There. Oh, what is that triangle thing? Oh. This is not scary at all. Alright, you, gimme. You can also come here. Oh wow, the music just got intense. Okay, so we need 2 iron bars. Oh, we need more scrap metal. You, gimme. You, gimme. Why do I feel like I'm entering the gates of heaven right now? This is really weird. Oh, I just hit a lag spike. Down. Alright, we're going let's charge into this thing. This is not weird at all. What is it? Oh wait, this was in it. Huh. This was in the tutorial. That's nice. I want out. I want out. Or not. Lock down parking. What do you mean parking? Oh wow, that's cool. I got the lag. Oh, alright, nice. We're going to the next realm.
Of course, I didn't expect to be greeted with balloons and fanfare, but where is everybody?
What? Is this the freaking SAP Foundation thing? What is this? Alright, no one can mess with me. It's not what I want. I got a hammer. I'm not afraid to use it. Ooh, scrap. Alright, let's go down here. Jump over that. Yeah, I can see the waypoints. Ah! Okay, that hurts. Alright, what if I just like... Okay. Oh. Ow. Ow.
Poor thing.
What?
Well, the goddesses of time and fate can't weave a long life path for everyone.
Oh, there's a gun.
At least he won't be needing a revolver anymore.
Man, bro's been here for a long time. Give me the revolver. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Finally, I got a gun in this game.
Who do you think this skeleton was? So many diagrams on the table.
Oh, we have infinite
He's
ammo.
probably some kind of designer. Well, used to be.
Oh yeah, I got a gun now. No one can mess with me. What's that noise? No, what's J? What is that? Is that a terminal?
He left the combination of the safe right out in the open.
Where?
That was a great idea. But don't ever do the same thing, okay?
Oh, this? What's that?
I got an idea. We're gonna need those parts soon.
This demo is awesome. So. Oh. That mission. Get out. Why can't I just live here? It's like an entire facility.
Now about my brilliant idea and the details. The console on the platform looks suspiciously similar to the device in the blueprints. It was mentioned there in the train upgrade paragraph.
Where? Oh, this? The freak.
An engineer. Truly an
Whoa.
engineer.
Ain't no way. Expanding the locomotive. Upgrade your platform to a train locomotive using to build a console at your depot. Each subsequent improvement requires more resources. Okay. So can I like go to the module? So does that mean I like warning is under roof, all items in the table will be destroyed. Alright, so I got this. Multi-tool mode. Floor. So how can I build a floor anyway? B. Oh! Floor. Okay, so I need more of those. Alright, I wanna explore. Holy crap. Okay, so I can't shoot that. What's over there? I wanna touch that. Oh, I do not want to fall. Alright, I guess I got everything I need. Let's go. Whee! Oh, looks like my battery's about to die. Anyway, I think I should end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye.